Hello, my name is Aaliyah and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be sharing my 2023 goals and going over my free goal setting template. It will be linked in the description below. So if you're serious about making 2023 your year, then keep watching and use this template to set your goals for the upcoming year. Okay, so this is the template. It just says 2023 goal setting. And for the first section, it is getting crystal clear. So the first question is, what is it exactly that you want? If you could have or experience anything in 2023, what would that be? So here you can put as many things as you like. I have reached 50k combined following on all socials, have a stronger, more disciplined mindset which will help me to eat healthy, take my vitamins, go to the gym and be active, have clear skin, healthy hair, flat stomach, big butt, and improved gut health. And then have 18k in my savings, new car, phone and camera, and also travel. So the next one is, what will you gain when you reach your goals? So I put down an amazing online community and audience, freedom to be my own boss, health and confidence, and amazing experiences. The next one is, what will you lose out on if you do not take action on your goals? And I wrote the chance of impacting mine and others' lives for the better, time and amazing experiences. So the next one is, who do you need to be to accomplish your goals in 2023? And I wrote, I need to be me, but more disciplined, determined, confident, risk-taking and strong. And with less perfectionism, procrastination, laziness, fear and doubt. And the last question is, how will you feel this time next year when you've achieved your goals? And I wrote, proud, so grateful and excited for what's to come. And that is all for the getting crystal clear section. So in this section, we are focusing on our top 3 goals, because most of the time when we set too many goals for ourselves, it can become overwhelming, leading to discouragement and inaction. I recommend setting domino goals, meaning by accomplishing a certain goal, others will automatically be achieved as well. For example, my goal is to get a new phone, camera and car. These are all pretty much in the same category. So I simplified this down to one goal being to have 18k in my savings by the end of the year. So accomplishing this goal will likely allow me to get the phone, car and camera, knocking all of the goals out in one. So my first goal is to reach 50k combined following on all socials. Very ambitious, but you never know. So my intention for setting this goal is because I want to stop doubting myself and not taking action towards the life of my dreams, which is being a successful entrepreneur, traveling the world, taking great care of my family, and inspiring others to do the same. I want others to really dream bigger than working a 9 to 5 until the day they die. I want them just as much as I to be free and to experience the world and everything life has to offer. The next one is, accomplishing this goal it will be the start of an amazing butterfly effect in my life and others. The ability to create many successful businesses with the help of my supportive community. I will become financially free, travel the world with my loved ones. I will inspire others to go after their dreams in the process, and I will create generational wealth for my family. The next one is, the first action step I will take towards this goal is creating more content, filming more YouTube videos to post on my channel. I will also need to edit the videos I have already. I've already filmed 3 videos, so I'm quite proud of myself for taking the first steps and stepping out of my comfort zone. And the last one is, the affirmation I will repeat daily to help me get to my goal more quickly is, and I wrote 2 for all of mine, I positively impact and bring value to many lives. I am so grateful to see such rapid growth on my social media accounts. And that is my first goal. For my second goal, it is to have an overall physical health glow up. So have a stronger, more disciplined mindset which will help me to eat healthy, take my vitamins, go to the gym and be active. I will have clear skin, healthy hair, flat stomach, big butt and improved gut health. So my intention for setting this goal is that when I look good on the outside, I will feel amazing on the inside. This will translate into all areas of my life. I will be happier and more energized for my loved ones and online community. But overall, I will be taking great care of my body and showing it gratitude for all that it does for me. And also gratitude to God who created me with my amazing, fully able body. It is my temple and I must look after it. Accomplishing this goal will help to boost my confidence, self-esteem, happiness, energy levels, control stress, and have a more satisfying life overall. The first action step I will take towards this goal is drink the rest of my water bottle and do a workout in the morning. I will then make a healthy breakfast and have my vitamins. The affirmation I will repeat daily to help me get to my goal more quickly is, I am so grateful to have a lean, healthy body. I am strong in mind, body, and soul. So that is my second goal. And my last goal is to have 18k in my savings. My intention for setting this goal is that I will be more financially secure and not worried about money. Accomplishing this goal will allow me to relax more, purchase things like a new phone/camera for my YouTube channel and other socials, so that I can create great quality content which will help to grow my dream community. It will also allow me to get a new car and travel, which might not be super necessary, but it will definitely increase my happiness. So the first action step I will take towards this goal is see what is happening with my job application. I will call them, otherwise I might have to apply somewhere else. And my affirmations for this one are, my savings account is constantly growing and I am so grateful for the abundance in my life. And then at the bottom of this is just any other notes you want to add in. So I just wrote, I got this. Just going back up to the top, I'll just quickly show you how to customize this page. So once you've duplicated it and everything, you can change the name on it because it'll say template up here. So you can just delete it. And also you can change this icon here. Just click on it and it comes up with a bunch of emojis and different icons. And then you can change the cover just by clicking change cover. And I got this from Pinterest. And then if you want to change the font, all you have to do is go over to these three dots over here. And it says style up here. So this is default. This one is serif and this is mono, so I definitely like serif the best, but you can decide. So to change the font color, all you have to do is highlight the text and click text color over here, and then it comes up with all these colors. And if you want to change the background color, all you have to do is click these 6 dots and click color, and then it will come up with the background colors over here. And that is basically it. So go get this template now and start filling it out. Really set some time aside to do this. Create space without any distractions and take your time going through each of the questions within the template. I also really suggest you watch my video on how to make your dreams your reality, as I give you 8 actionable steps that you can take to start making your dreams your reality. I'll have it linked in the description as well. And don't forget to actually take action along the way, because without action, dreams just stay dreams. So that is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. Let me know in the comments your thoughts, questions, and also what your goals for 2023 are. I would also appreciate it if you could please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to join my dream community. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Mwah. Okay, we're doing this. We're doing this. So this is Jade, if you didn't know. Isn't she beautiful? Got my eyelashes done today. Love them. Hello, my name is Aaliyah and welcome back to my channel. We got this. Positive vibes. Might actually put on some Vaseline. I need to say that again. It wasn't vibey enough, you know? Let me know in the comments your thoughts, feelings. No, not feelings. But I do want to know what your feelings are. So you can write that in there too. Anyways.